Welcome to English Storycraft.
A Day in Venice. Maria is a young woman who lives in a small town in Italy. One day, she decides to visit Venice. She is very excited because she has never been to Venice before. Maria wakes up early in the morning and takes a train to the city. When she arrives in Venice, Maria is amazed. The city is very beautiful. There are no cars, only boats. The streets are made of water, and the boats are called gondolas. Maria decides to take a gondola ride. The gondolier, a man who drives the gondola, sings a lovely song. Maria smiles, enjoying the peaceful ride. After the gondola ride, Maria strolls through the city. She admires the old buildings and crosses many bridges. The most famous bridge is the Rialto Bridge. Maria stands on the bridge and gazes at the Grand Canal. The water is blue and calm. She takes many pictures with her phone, capturing the beauty of Venice. Next, Maria visits St. Mark's Square. The square is lively, full of people from all over the world. There are many pigeons too. Maria watches as children feed the pigeons. She then visits St. Mark's Basilica, a magnificent church. Inside, the walls are covered with gold and beautiful paintings. Maria is fascinated by the art and history. After walking for a while, Maria starts to feel hungry. She finds a cozy cafe near the square and orders a pizza and a gelato. The pizza is delicious and the gelato is refreshing. Maria eats slowly, savoring the flavors and enjoying the view of the square. In the afternoon, Maria explores the local shops. She buys a beautiful Venetian mask as a souvenir. Venice is famous for its masks, especially during the carnival season. Maria chooses a mask with elegant colors and patterns, thinking about how it will remind her of this special day. As the sun begins to set, Maria takes a leisurely walk by the water. The city looks magical with the lights reflecting on the canals. She feels a mix of happiness and nostalgia, knowing she has to leave soon, but also feeling grateful for the experience. Finally, Maria heads back to the train station. She looks back at Venice one last time before boarding the train.
I will return one day.
She says to herself, already planning her next visit. Maria sits on the train, feeling content and inspired. She knows that this day in Venice will stay in her heart forever.